What's up, my YouTube peeps? This is my 1969 C-10, and I'm gonna tilt the engine today. Should be pretty simple. I undid everything. I hacked off the exhaust and undid the shift linkage and undid the drive shaft in the back, and undid the motor mounts and the trans mounts. So it should be pretty simple. So it should be a short video. Yeah, follow with me. So I legit took everything out, so I just jack it up. There we go. Oh, I forgot one thing. This little bolt right here. I gotta undo that. Yeah, right there. Undo that, and that's legit all that I have. One moment. I think I got it now. Dang it. Alright, let me go get the right thread of this, because this isn't working. I got it now. So That was the engine getting taken out. And I'm gonna YouTube how to take out the speedo cable, because YouTube is the best for car stuff. But yeah, so I'll get this out. And my cousin won this motor. It's not a 350 like I thought it was. It's a 307. And he has this sweet 68 Chevy Impala. And I think I'm gonna give it to him. So yeah, comment, like, and subscribe.